What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best LED headlights on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is LASFIT Custom Pro MB2. A 2-Insit Pro MB2 Div 2 in 1000 Debris Hours 2-1 Eisen made 2 clients 1012 VWC 2 Sit 1 Day A2115 VU1045 T 2012-2015 Mercedes-Benz ML 350 2015 Golf 450 2016-2019 Glatley 150 2017-2019 Gla 400 2012-2015 MBC 204 2008-2012 VUCC. If you are not sure the bulb can fit or not, contact us before purchasing. Custom Pro MB2 7 LED bulbs. No competitor, this LASFIT LED A7 LED bulbs is a better solution to upgrade the halogen A7 bulbs with a special retainer. Only LASFIT provides significant increase in clarity and visibility, but also the adapters for the bulbs fit as OEM1. True plug player playing Thayer vehicles. Easily insert into housing and twist to lock. You will get perfect and new performance just like an OM. All-in-one design, no need to connect extra wire harness or adapter. 60 Ternures 6000 Al-Natech 6000 casing, crystal white, 4 times brighter than dim stock bulb. No need to spend time adjusting the light pattern, it's already the best orientation. What you guess, 45 days money-back guarantee, 1 year free replacement, US efficient customer support. Remember to check the images in this page and vehicle info before ordering. If you are not sure, please contact us to confirm before purchasing.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Ursprung Fahren 2024 HC7 LED bulb. 600 brighter than halogen Fahren. Ursprung HC7 LED bulb adopts the latest chips. 600 brighter than OM halogen. 6,500 KAG xenon white 24,000 LMM can provide clearer visibility when driving. Make the animals or other obstacles on the road be seen in advance to ensure driving safety. Enjoy a brighter and safer driving experience with Fahren Ursprung LED bulb. No adapter required. Plug and play Fahren 7 LED light bulb is the one size same as halogen A7 bulb. Wireless design. No external driver, no additional adapters needed, installation in less than 3 minutes. Directly sit on your socket and turn it on to use in no time. Perfect comprehensive beam pattern. HL7 LED bulb is designed with high-end 8 CSP chips on both sides. No need to manually adjust the beam pattern. No dark spots or shadow areas. 7 LED light bulb have the same shape as the original halogen and will not change your viewing habits, perfectly taking care of your vision without causing glare. More than 60,000 Hrs longer lifespan featuring a 15,000 perm high-speed silent fan and aviation aluminum material whole hollow carved design. K30CA7 adopts an advanced cooling system to extend the life of the bulb. The IP68 waterproof function allows you to drive normally in any bad weather, even in snowstorms and severe fog and haze. Compatible with 99 of cars, LED A7 bulb upgraded the internal intelligent IC driver and improved performance to fit most vehicle systems, mostly close to the wattage of halogen bulbs to reduce the occurrence of CAN bus problems. No error warning, no more flicker and radio interference. Please note, extremely few sensitive models may require additional decoders. Please contact Fahren Ursprung. We will help you until the problem is solved.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is SEALIGHT 7 bulbs. 14,000 lumens. 6-year-old wartime brightness. Featured superior 16 CSS LED chips. 2000 LED fog light bulbs produce 14,000 light output per set. 400 brighter than halogen bulbs, enjoying clearer and safer night driving with SEALIGHT Headlight 7 LED fog light bulbs. Same one mini size design, same as halogen, no external driver or adapters. Truly plug and play. SEALIGHT 7 bulbs can perfectly fit into your housing and factory sockets, even in tight spaces. Perfect beam pattern. Ditch your dim yellow halogens and make way for 6,500K bright xenon white. Stu Haze 7 bulb provides wider and farther lighting range, adding confidence in night driving. Aluminum construction, carved heatsink, and silent turbofan ensure a longer lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, which equals 125 halogen bulbs. No more frequent replacements. 97 vehicle compatible with 97 of vehicles, without error warnings or radio interference. If you have any fitment or installation problems, please kindly send SEALIGHT messages.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Nilight 9007 LED bulbs, 500 Ts, brighter than halogen automotive grade. LED chips reaches up to 4,500 lux per bulb, 5 times brighter than your original halogen bulb, 1.5 times than others' 9007 headlight bulb. 6,500K cool white allows you to see further and clearer. Ultra-long irradiation distance, ultra-thin 0.4-inch copper board, reduced glaring to ensures maximum light output. 900 F straight-line distance and light, has strong penetrability, which makes signs and obstacles can be seen clearly in advance. 2 times wider vision high power, 9007 LED headlight kit, provides you with 2 times view range. Gives you unparalleled lighting output, whatever running on straightaway, right-hand bend or left-hand bend. Provides clearer and better vision for driver to see the wild animals, falling rocks or other obstacles at night in advance to reduce the possibility of danger. Easy installation. Our 9007 LED headlight bulb, high and low, is almost one mini design, same as halogen. Perfectly fits into your housing and factory sockets without any modification, just plug and play. Matches 99 of the vehicle models. If you are not sure about the car model and need a decoder, please check your owner's manual or the part number on your original bulbs to confirm the bulb size. Longer life, adopted aircraft grade aluminum and 12,000 RPM turbo cool fan provide super cooling ability. IP67 waterproof. Operating temperature, 40 def or 85 def. Nilight 9007 high beam bulb can last for 50,000 hours even though you drive for 6 hours in a row every day.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Fahren 9007 Shell 5 LED bulb. 600 and brighter superior LED bulbs with 20,000 ohm per pair. The 9007 J5 LED bulbs feature advanced chips that output 600 brightness with a 6,500K cool white clearer color. This is 6 times brighter than the original bulb. Real plug and play. The 9007 LED bulbs are designed with no bulky base and extra driver, fully all-in-one. It can be installed within 10 minutes by simply plugging and playing. True one size. Perfect beam pattern. Fahren 9007 5 LED bulb is designed with a 3 and ultra-thin profile that makes the chips much closer for a super focused beam, delivering wider angle and farther range light on the road without any dark spots and no glare to the oncoming traffic to ensure you and other drivers a safer driving. Over 60,000 hours lifespan, taking aviation aluminum as the main body, has a good heat dissipation. 18,000 RPM silent turbo cool fan and copper plate provide super cooling ability. Enjoy a long lifespan of over 60,000 hours with our 9007 LED. This means you won't have to replace the bulb as often, reducing the number of times you'll be in the dark with a burnt-out bulb. Fit 99% of vehicles. Our bulbs can work with 99% of vehicles' computers without any radio interference. Some sensitive models may require an additional CAN-BUs decoder to be installed. You can contact us for confirmation before purchase. And please refer to how to pick the right bulb size in our product description.